It is a very windy day, so I'm gonna try to do this one right here outside with some wind. So sorry about my microphone, it catch some wind, but I wanna show this to you. I wanna show the super nice hammock camping chair that this brand sent to me for the video. It is super easy to assemble. I mean, there is not even an assemble. You just put this frame, the frame right here, and the ground kind of like extended, lock it with these lugs over here, extend this one's right here as well. They're gonna come kind of like this right here. So you extend, yeah, that's the click that I was just looking for. So you extend this ones and put this right here on top. By the way, it also comes with a carry-on bag, so you can actually use the carry-on bag to take it with you to camping, hiking, fishing, the beach, whatever you want. So we're gonna put this one right here. I'm gonna test it out because this one supports 300 pounds. So we got it all set right here. You can see that this is a hammock, which I think it's fantastic because it's gonna give you that really nice relax you need. And bye-bye to the actual cover, the carry-on bag. So it also comes with a pillow right here because I think it's also super important to have this for the back of your neck. We're gonna test it out right now. Sorry about the wind one more time. So let's check it out. We're gonna go inside and we go. Oh wow. Yeah, this is fantastic and relaxing. Oh, so nice. I have this hammock over here just by myself, 300 pounds. And you can see that it's not moving at all. Like the frame is super resistant. It's actually not flimsy at all. This is not moving too much. Besides, of course, I'm doing this to myself, but this is so nice. It gives you that really nice, relaxing position that you need. It has a really nice support for my back area as well, like the lower side of my back area. And also this pillow over here supports 300 pounds. And it also comes, let me show you because I think it was, whoa, that was hard, but yeah. It was right here. Let me show it and find it to you right here. It also comes with a cup holder, so you can use this cup holder and put it, well, if you need it for in case I want to have like a water bottle or something like that. But oh wow, again, one more time, this is just fantastic. I think it's for relaxing purposes or just like camping, hiking, going fishing or something like that, or just to the beach, or if you want to just take it with you on vacations, this is a must-have. Fantastic one, super nice one, super comfy, comes in multiple colors, and this one of course supports 300 pounds, super nice. I'm just gonna take a nap right here. Thanks for watching, recommended. See you soon.